Hey guys, so before this video begins, I want to say that some of the clips I did use my GoPro for, which I thought would be a lot better quality than it was. Some of the clips are very low quality, and I apologize for that, but I did what I could. Thank you and enjoy the video.
It Texas 2K!
It's Texas 2K!
I got that all day.
I think that's fire.
That thing's thick, yo.
Pink chrome is kind of fire. Beautiful little Nismo GTR. I kind of want to buy some well wheels. Do I have money for it? No.
36 is
Oh shit. Oh yeah, it's a show car. Pedro was sending me pictures of that. That makes me horny.
33s are so beautiful. Absolutely creaming.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, I think it'll fit the Z.
I'll fit him.
Oh shit. Yeah, why does your Corvette not look like this, bro?
Yeah. Why am I not just...
Like, look, it's even pro charge, bro.
Why am I not that one?
That's a couple exhaust tips. Adequate amount. I like this two backwards headers to do that. Big ass turbo. You're so into this generation.
32, 33, 34.
Yup. That's a flex. Somebody say FD?
Christian left side. We now have a bump. That 1098 will mark the bump.
I wonder what class of velocities Mustang is in.
Looking at it, whatever the fuck's not rod's in.
Today. So he needs to get on the sheet. Christine Donworth 7 flat. Sits in the number 2 spot. Christine would like it back. A good 60 foots. Christine's out of it early. Marcelo 746 on the white GTR. Oh, yeah, there. Great time. Airport, New York. 778. Oh my God. 724 at 190.93. Charles Sido, left side, out of Florida. 711, 195. He streaks in his personal best twice. Will he do it a third time?
I see a Honda at a drag strip, I get really scared.
Why aren't you that cool? The dual clutch transmission setup now. It's not uncommon for us to see maybe a Shelby GT 500 or
valid.
Kenny Tran with an 810. He's just 100th ahead of his wife, and Kenny has problems. He pulls right over to the side. Exactly what Peter likes to see. Pull over to the side and shut it off. Orlando Gallegos out of San Antonio, Texas. That's that side of the car check. He wants to be able to qualify, but it doesn't look like he's going to do it. 852. He's on all his lane as the car makes a violent move to the left. steering wheel.
190
The car made a couple of violent moves to the left and hung on to it. Louisiana's
that truck as a high nooner?
I'd love to see that.
Me too.
I'm taking slow.
Oh yeah, the vet is smoking.
did a wheelie and then a lot of traction problems. 728 on that guy.
There's the intake that blew off of this car.
Right in front of the Mustang. Tell people actually ride because you call them a motorcycle plate instead of mini plate.
Yeah. Look at this.
I'm hungry.
How much you spend on that? $20?
24.
God.
183 for the GT on the outside. Here Montoya's going to like 8.7. Continue down. The red GTR is done. Here goes 788 at 170.
This motherfucker is still 3 hot dogs more deep.
I'm on 6 now.
If she makes a good pass here, she can pass it. Left side, Brandon on another good run. Goes 790. That 972.
Gobble that shit.
Number 56 spot. So GTR right side. Denny off left side. 811 so far her best run. 803 as she resets her personal. And Hope pulls the parachute. One of the Mustangs. Let's see what he can do with that. So he goes up in the last. Tree fire. Drivers are taking advantage of it as Chad runs it. Zach Walton, who skipped the last session, moved the Super out of the line. Might have been so far, and he'll get out of the gas. Fernando Gaviria out of Massachusetts on the right side of the TTRS, 855 his best run. Gets the seat of the Corvette out of Arizona. 732.
There's Gills in time.
Oh, 793 versus 794.
And to the top end. Slightly better run coming on for Nick.
Han just casually drove past us and we didn't even realize.
We're over here talking about Stangery and Harry shooting fly, and then Han drives right past us.
Wearing a fly ash jacket too. Race.
Yeah.
I mean, like the BMWs, like it's cool the first 8.6 seconds, and then it just gets like, okay.
Yeah.
It's a B58, wow. Oh, SR. Nice, dude. They are absolutely fire.
I think you should.
it draws more attention.
It does, but
It's also easier to grow with short form.
Going 640. And then unfortunately having a methanol fire at the end of the racetrack. So we have pulled that entry off, and he has now wheeled out his backup ride, the big tire GTR out of Pennsylvania. Qualified it with a 669. He sits in the number 2 spot currently. The crew doing all kinds of work to get this one ready. And George will look to try to battle Brosnan, who is qualified a 10th of a second quicker than him so far. Hill rocking around right side. How about 658 with a 0? At 189,
What the
getting out of the gas way early. 2. Our first pair out of DCT, the dual clutch transmission class, Pascal Legault, left side out of Houston, 771. Right side, Luke Carlisle in the R8, 768. So a couple of 7-second hot rods will get us started. Pascal out in front, but the R8 staying right with him. Ryan Kubarek. The Porsche. He is on a good run so far. Wants to insert himself on the... And Billy Orton, the V8 swapped 5th gen Toyota. He comes off the starting line and has problems. Right-hand side that has been having issues. And Michael Herrera trying to improve on a 1076. Could do it. Will do it.
you see the turbo blow that was
He's a little bit off at the half-track mark. He goes 7:03 and 2:01. How about 7:28 and 199 for... To the top edge, 7.
I would stick something in that hole. Let me tell you what, boy. K9 and then the sincerely fuckable Mitsubishi Eclipse.
Gentile, 10:30.
I'm expecting some crazy.
That is fire.
We found free ethanol. Oh, this is so clean. Hold.
Yeah, we're getting kicked out.
Pretty soon. Everyone's already revving.
Where are the...
Forgot to record that one.
Monster truck.
Big ass fart can on a fucking neckline for.
Hey, hold on. What do you got on VQs, buddy? Turn your ass around. What you got on VQs?
It's the orchestra, man.
No,
It's the orchestra.
no.
Now that he's driving away from us.
Someone's watch that had you. Yeah, I'm not even from here. Get out of here.